Every day I wake up, I talk to Will. And I'm like, babe, I hope I'm doing a good job. As he looks down on us in heaven, I want to make sure that I honor him while he's up there. I met my husband, Will, back in '97. You know, that young high school love. He was just a funny guy, super loving, super caring. It was great. August of 2021. COVID definitely was in the air, but it didn't really hit as reality. I was in the kitchen and he came down the stairs. He's like, I'm not feeling good. And about 3 days later, I ended up starting to feel sick as well. Quarantined inside my guest bedroom. And I just remember being in bed. I heard the fire truck come around the corner. And sure enough, they pulled up in front of the house. I opened the guest bedroom. He's coming down. He's like, I cannot breathe. His oxygen levels were like at a 69. They had to take him in. And it happened so fast. He was put on the ventilation and within 24 hours later, we lost him. I remember being here in the kitchen with the boys and I completely fainted. When I woke up, that's when it hit me. That's when it hit me that their dad wasn't coming home again. It was devastating. At that moment, finances are the last thing you want to think about. And I just remember one day, David sending me a text message saying, you don't have to worry about anything. I called National Life Group.
When I really teach families, life insurance is a tool to use when you're at your darkest moment.
I had peace of mind knowing that that money was coming. That was such a huge weight lifted off of my shoulders.
I took care of most of my mom so she could just take care of the family and focus on all the other activity going on at the time. The process was very quick and very seamless, and she got her payout within the first month.
I was able to obviously make sure that the bills were paid, but I was also able to take time off of work and just really be here with the boys.
Life doesn't discriminate based on our age. These injuries, illnesses, people passing away, it can happen at any time.
It's about prioritizing what's most important to you.
If we fall behind financially, it just spirals downward.
Had we not met David when we did, we would be in financial ruin. And these are the things that we need to talk about, because if we're not talking about them, we're not preparing for them. After his passing, we used a bulk of that money to get all 3 boys their life insurance policies.
And now that's how you really create generational wealth, because policy is now going to cover the next generation.
And that's how it's supposed to be, right? That's how we keep his story alive.
I feel life insurance is the foundation to finances.
It's given us the lifestyle that I could only dream of having. It's given us the tool and the resources to create the legacy for generations to come. I'm just super grateful to have been his wife. What he left me in them, I see him every day. And that is just a blessing.